Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read Pete the Cat, Making New Friends. Meet Secret Agent Meow, also known as Pete the Cat. Gizmo, watch. What's the new case do we have today? When there is a mystery, Agent Meow is always on the case. A new case falls into Agent Meow's lap. I want to play, but no one wants to play with me. Squirrel is lonely. Maybe I can help. Don't worry, Squirrel. I'm on the case. What? Who are you? What case? I am Agent Meow. I will help you make new friends. Come into my office. You want to help me? That's awesome. But how? With my amazing Gizmo watch, of course. What do you like to do? I like to roller skate. I like to tap dance. And I love to draw. Time to crack this case. I don't know anyone who roller skates. Agent Meow asked his Gizmo watch for a clue, but Grumpy loves to skateboard. I don't know anyone who tap dances. Agent Meow asked his Gizmo watch for another clue, but Callie loves ballet. I don't know anyone who draws. Agent Meow asked his Gizmo watch for another clue, but Emma loves to paint. Meow, I've got it. Come with me. That's not roller skating, right? But you and Grumpy both love to roll. That's not tapping, right? But you and Callie both love to dance. That's not drawing, right? But you and Emma both love to make art. Ready to make some new friends? I can try. Moments later, do you want to swap? Cool, neat. A little while later, wow, tap, tap, tap. Do you want to swap? Awesome, bravo. A little while after that, let's try it together. Do you want to try? Voila, groovy. When you are lonely and don't know what to do, try to find someone who enjoys the same things as you. Thank you, Agent Meow. New friends are easy to find if you don't know how to look for them. And so, Secret Agent Meow solves another case. Case closed. The end. Thank you for reading with us, Play and Discover kids. We'll see you next time.
Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.